Hi, welcome to Kings, and today we're going to be making the classic, but our version of the Cosmopolitan, and we call it the Kingsmopolitan. We're going to start off with our vodka and Cointreau, popping it in the Boston shaker. Notice we are chilling down our martini glass as well. Put a squeeze of lime in there, and then we top it up with our cranberry. That's going to be shaken on ice, and then served in our wonderfully chilled glass. There you go, pour that out, give that a good old shake. And this is finished simply, ooh, look at that, delicious, looks almost creamy. Finished with a slice of lime and a straw, as simple as that, voila.